Alright YouTube, today I want to see if I can't get these wires and plugs switched out on the 140 here. I pulled them out the other day and one looks great, two's a little sooty, three was about wet, and four was great. So we're hoping that that's what it is. I didn't get a rotor and all. There was supposed to have been a new one put in there not that long ago, but the wires are all mismatched and just ugly, so we're going to see if maybe that'll clean it up for us. Now, because I'm not super smart, I want to do this one at a time, and I can't really, maybe I can. Let's see if I can get the, there we go. Now, like I said, I had them out, so they shouldn't be all that bad to get back out. Let me put you down here for a minute. It's a little bit, see if I can get it to focus on this here. It's a little bit, there we go. That's a little dirty. The book calls for 23 thousandths, so I only have 25 on my gauge, so I want to make it just a little snug on the 25 and see how that does with it. So I got number one in there. I'm going to switch these wires out as I go. That way I don't lose track of what goes where, because I'd hate to have to look that up and worry with it. So I think 1 and 4 are the longest ones. At least I hope. I've got one on there. Let's do it again. This is 3, and it's the worst looking one. 2 was not quite as bad as I remembered it being, but this one's still near about wet looking. So I don't think it was quite firing right, and it wasn't running right either. And here's number 4, and it was honestly a lot cleaner than this when I checked them. Of course, I had been running it, cultivating and up and down the road a little bit, and then I just ran it for a minute or two, pulled it back under shelter. It probably didn't do a lot of good for a lot of them. I got her all back together. I think I've got enough gas in here to see if it will start. Let's see what she does. Well, YouTube, I took it out in the garden and cultivated just a little bit. It's about quit that coughing and sputtering stuff it do when it load up. I did finally get to do it one time, but it's certainly way better running than it was. I guess at some point I'll get me another rotor and cap and put on it. It's probably about all it needs. Well, thanks guys. We'll see you again next time.